Welcome to CS Purkartikeyan YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel, share with your friends in social media, and then only you get notification. Press bell button. And today's topic is types of poems. Especially it is also told about literary forms. So, for example, types of poems, especially first epic, the first type of poem, poetry form. So poetry is sublime long poem divided into many volumes, like it tell about God's deeds and great valor, legendary life celebration, especially Homer's Iliad, Odyssey, Ramayana, Mahabharata. And mock epic, it is a kind of a parody of real epic in a mild way of satire attacking or imitation. So trivial theme, funny incidents used with the conventions of epic formulas. So epic, Homer's Iliad, Odyssey. Mock epic, Pope's The Rape of the Lock. So next we are going to see another different types of poems. The first thing is ode. It's a long lyrical poem of serious subject addressing a person or an object whom it is written. And there is an additional division, Pindaric ode. Pindaric ode is a kind of Greek poet Pindar taken model from him. It is called Pindaric ode. So normally ode in a grand style, long stanza structure. Another thing is lyric. It is to be sung by a singer with the accompany of the lyre. So it is the lyric used for non-narrative single thought. So next idyll setting. So this is called in many poem it has idyll setting. It is a small lyrical poem which describes the rustic life or a rural country life. And the another thing is pastoral setting. Pastoral poem. Pastoral setting is it describes a life of shepherd's life. So normally they shifted from one place to another place. Their life is like that. And elegy is another form of poetry. It is a lamenting of on dear death of someone, especially friend or something. So it explains a person's absence and loss of the intimacy of their relationship. Pastoral elegy also telling the same thing. And next, ballad. So band singers and dancers, they are group sing about the warriors' deeds and valor of their historical character setting. So next is satire. Satirical poem normally ridiculed literary composition for pointing out the vice and corruption in a funny way, to point out the corruption and other things. So next, university wits. We have heard about already in previous video I told about with university wits. In pre-Chaucerian time, a group of scholars who came from Oxford, Cambridge, these university, they practiced their education in drama, and they do what they learnt in their university. So John Lely, Marlowe, Green, Robert Greene also university wits. Dramatic monologue, it's a kind of a poem. One man expressed his desire in a long poetic manner, but single man whose drama means mono means one, log means dialogue, mono dialogue, so monologue speech. Normally Robert Browning poems are like that. So next, mask poem, especially Milton used this kind of a mask. So it has grandeur costume, setting, music, and very colorful kind of a presentation. So they normally the characters wear mask. Then because of this use of their mask, this is a mask. And drama. Drama is an enacted version either in verse or prose composition in a stage with the characters. They are telling a story presentation to the audience. And next we are going to see interludes. In a drama, if there is a drama is a serious subject, in some sort of short entertainment inserted between the acts, that is called interlude. And another concept is First is a comedy for lower class people. They expect some kind of crude form of comedy in the dramas. That is only for groundlings. So Solilaki form of poetry is one's own talking loudly without other characters in stage. That is where Shakespeare used many other Solilakis, Dr. Faustus also. Aside is one's own talking loudly with other character present in stage. That is for comedy purpose or any other serious purpose. So next thing is romantic comedy. Romantic comedy normally mixed with lovers, two lovers and their comedy and other things, two heroines and all the insected in that. And tragic comedy, comedy plus tragedy plus comedy. Tragedy begins and ends with comedy. And burlesque, it imitates serious subject in a ridiculous way. And Memoir is a writer, writes about his contexts of a great personalities or great writer's literary personality in his writings. That is Memoir. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, then only you get notification, and in other videos I will tell another different type of literary videos. Thank you so much for watching video. Subscribe channel, press bell button. Thank you.